everybody, welcome back to SMILEBOX. This is a special episode because we are doing an unboxing from one of our favorite brands, and that is what? Which brand is that? Dr. Coops? Is it
Arm & Hammer?
That's right, Arm & Hammer. So here we have Arm & Hammer Essentials, and I can't wait to see what they sent us. All right, okay, Dr. Coops, let's take a look. Wow, let's show everybody at home. Ooh, okay, let's take a seat. It says Arm & Hammer Essentials. Here is something you're going to love. Our new clinically proven 100% natural baking soda toothpaste.
Spin brush.
And
I've always wanted
spin brush. Oh my goodness.
I've always wanted
All
that.
right. He's always, all right, come on, tell everybody.
I'm keeping that since I'm a grown up.
They sent us a spin brush, okay, and they have a
now.
pro
I wanna
tip.
see it now.
It says to try them together. All right, so let's open up our package nicely.
No. You're gonna tear it.
I don't want to tear. Oh wow, wow.
La, la.
Okay, wait. Let's show the camera. Show everybody at home.
Huzzah!
Look what we have there.
Huzzah!
Ooh, la,
Huzzah!
la. Okay, come back, Dr. Coops. Come back. Let's show everybody. Oh wow, we have a nice eco-friendly pouch. It says Essentials Fluoride Toothpaste. Okay, so you guys know I'm a fan
Now
of fluoride.
let's unbag this.
We're gonna unbag it now.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh boy!
Okay, what is that?
It's a spin brush.
Oh, okay. So sit down. Do you think a spin?
It's a pro.
It's a pro?
Pro
Pro Clean. Wow.
plan.
All right, perfect. And that's perfect
Now
for
let's see
a
what
spin brush
Oh,
is perfect
oh,
for
this is-
young brushers because we
I'm a
know
young
that they
brusher.
he's a young brusher. But let's tell everybody at home. You know, young brushers, early brushers have difficulty reaching the back teeth especially, and those surfaces that are along the tongue and also along the gum line. So parents, don't be afraid to go back in behind your child and make sure that they reached all those surfaces. We should be brushing our teeth for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, are you sure?
20 seconds.
Are you 20 seconds? How long should we brush our teeth? 1 minute? 2 minutes?
Huh?
I think it's 2 minutes, everyone. 2 to 3 minutes. Studies show
I
that
don't
brushing your
know how
teeth
much
for
minutes.
2 to 3 minutes, 3 times a day can actually reduce heart disease. So everybody
Yes,
should be
now
out there
let's
brushing.
Continue.
All right, let's continue with our
What's
unbagging. What's next?
I want to go to flapping. Yes.
Okay, wow, look at this. To show everybody at home. You want to show them at home, both sides, nicely, nicely. Okay, flip it around. Ooh, okay, step back because it says something really important. It says the right amount of natural. Wow. Okay, so everybody is really interested. A lot of patients are asking me about these natural products, and Arm & Hammer has gotten on the boat with the natural products. So let's see which toothpaste they sent us. All right. Okay, we're going to talk about that spin brush in a moment. Oh, wow, look at this. Essentials. You want to go show everybody at home? Okay, show them at home. Go ahead. Show them the picture. Ah, can I see it? Okay, slowly. Very good. Okay. Very good. Now let mommy take a look. It says whiten and strengthen, 2 shades whiter and 2 times stronger enamel. Now this Essentials toothpaste is different because it is free of sweeteners, artificial sweeteners. It's free of sodium lauryl sulfate. And I talked about SLS or sodium lauryl sulfate before. Let's have a seat. Because sulfates often cause gum irritation. So a lot of patients have noticed sensitivity of their gums, of their tongue, and often it's caused by sulfates. So this toothpaste is free of that. Also, it's free of preservatives, parabens, and dyes. Wow, so look at that. Now what does it have? It has
Fluoride!
fluoride, exactly. It has fluoride, it has the baking soda, and Arm & Hammer is known for the baking soda. Did you guys know that baking soda
Yes.
was the first approved tooth cleaner? Baking soda. 150 years ago, baking soda was the first toothpaste. And they were actually the first product to get the ADA seal from the American Dental Association, that seal of acceptance, approval, meaning that it's also safe and it also works. So this is their new line of essentials. I encourage you guys to go pick these up. We are using them at home.
Yes.
And we are keeping...
These two will be in the box.
Are they going to be... You want to put them in the Smile Box? All right, go tell everybody at home. That's exciting news.
These two are going to be in the Smile Box.
Okay, have a seat. So let's make that clear. In an upcoming Smile Box, we are going to include Arm & Hammer Essentials and Spin Brush. All right, so you guys, I really love the spin brushes for kids. A lot of parents have been asking me about a Smile Box specifically for children. And so you think it's time to make a Smile Box for kids?
Yeah.
Let's make a Smile Box for kids. All right, thanks for tuning in for our special episode of Smile Box. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and clean at home.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.